老闆幾時有炒麵啊
TikTok, Macau food stock. I take Auman.
Good morning, it's Tigman right here. Morning? Still dark outside. Well, because it's 6 o'clock right now. Why am I taking you guys out so early? I'm taking you guys out to this famous local place. But before we get there, if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos. I got more videos for you, more interesting videos, more food for you. Let's go! This place is called the Bird Garden.
要一個炒麵要多辣醬啊，唔該。
可唔可以粥嗰啲啊？
粥啊，唔使啦，唔使住，淨係得，唔該。I'm the first customer today. And guess what? I'm taking this home. I'm gonna enjoy it myself. Now say bye to the Bird Garden. Usually more shops in China would be open by now. But then I forgot today is some sort of public holiday. So some shops are actually closed. I'm gonna take you guys out there one more time when everything's open like it's supposed to. But right now I'm just gonna go home and show you how good that Chow Mein is. Yeah, got my hot sauce. Chow Mein, baby. Woo! Gonna eat with my wooden chopsticks. Cheers. Delicious. You know what, guys? This time I'm just gonna enjoy this off camera. If you guys like my videos, click the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel for more videos, more food. I really appreciate your time for watching my videos, so subscribe and watch more. I'm gonna eat this. Now, see you guys next time. I'm out. Peace.